welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to use the application of Badoo, and this is a date application, and this is a easy application to use. After you create an account here in Badoo, you got your account, you got your profile. The only thing you need to do to use that application is confirm your age. You need to be more than 18. You need to get more than 18 years old, and the only thing you need to do to search the person here in the encounters, you need to swipe to the left or to the right if you want to see a person, and if you want like doing a match with a person, you pick here in the heart, in the bottom of the black heart, and you can connect with the person, with this person. And if this person see your message for connect, and she or he connect with you, you can send a message. But that depends of the person, of your profile, just your preference. This is a personal situation, but here you can see the person, and you can pick here in the heart to doing match, or pick in the X for eliminate that profile of your algorithm. So this is the way you can do in match. You can do in here in Nervy if you want to see the person who is close to you, or you can pick here in chats if you want any chat. When you doing match with someone, you can chat with this person here, and here you got your profile, when you can put a photo, a little description of you, the things you want to you like to do, so your personal information. So this is the way, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.